Did you see these trades on the 1 minute chart? Welcome back to Supermarket FX. My name is John. Here we talk about ways to simplify your trading and free you from the belief that trading can't be done. All right, guys, I'm going to take you through some trading opportunities that you could have taken on the 1 minute chart for July 8th. And you can see that we've got 3 examples here where different times of the day. So you can see during Asian session. We have here also during New York or London and New York as well. So just simply marked off areas where I expect price to react. So you can see that price came into the area, same as here. Marked off. These are just order blocks that are marked off. Now price could have easily come above this and changed direction, or it could have kept going, but these are the examples I'm going to show you. So now if we drop down to the 1 minute, you can see what happened here. So price came into the area, stalled out. See, price wasn't pushing higher, it just couldn't seem to go any further than that. Now, there really wasn't an opportunity to take any type of entry until we seen this strong bearish candle. So at that point, you would have entered just before the closing of the candle and the target at the bottom, the low of it. And you can see how this one played out. Now, if you would have moved your stop loss to break even and took partials at a 1-to-1, you might have been stopped out at this point. But if you would have left it alone, you didn't touch the trade, you just let it run. Nice 3.17 risk to reward. And you can see okay, second here. Okay, what do we call it here? Yeah, so just over a half an hour for that trade. That wasn't bad. But simple, you know, over and over again. You're just waiting for price to come into your area. When it comes into your area, you're just looking for certain price patterns. If it gives you that pattern, only then would you enter the trade. You don't do it in between. You don't take it anywhere else on the chart, just your areas. And you can see again, there we go. Price came into the area, touched into it, gave an engulfing pattern. That would have been a good opportunity for an entry, and aiming for the high. Risk to reward 4.23. Now you could have taken partials and moved your stop loss to break even and taken the trade the rest of the way without any problems on this one. So this one was only about a half an hour, which wasn't bad. Now there's trades that happen all the time. So depending on where you are, there's always opportunities. It doesn't have to be just during London or just during Asian session or London. Here we go. So again, it comes into the area. Now I wouldn't have taken it right here. It could have maybe, but it wasn't really a strong signal there. That wasn't a very big push to the downside. So it leaves, comes back into the price again, into the zone, and stalls out. Signs of exhaustion. Nice bearish candle. Enter in on the trade just before the close and target the low. Now you can see this one here was only a 1.56, which isn't that great, but still. Forty-five minute trade, so really that's not a bad deal. And that's just off one pair. Now this happens over and over again all the time. So if you learn how to watch more pairs just by setting alerts, doing that on TradingView, it just makes life a lot easier.